Hi YouTube, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my 5-day carnivore meal plan with you. This is a strict carnivore meal plan with primarily beef, bacon, eggs, and salt. Now, if you're doing the BBBE challenge or doing a strict carnivore elimination diet, then you'll definitely want to keep watching. If you're new here, my name is Kevin and I've lost over 50 pounds on my keto and eventually carnivore journey, all while gaining muscle mass and strength. The carnivore diet has not only helped me lose a ton of weight and fat, but has also helped me cure my severe eczema. This way of eating has definitely been life-changing. I love how these meals help me save so much time because they're limited to only 2 to 3 ingredients. Eating this way and limiting your ingredients definitely helps you boil down how you react to certain types of foods. Now, there are a couple meals where I've added in some canned salmon, some sardines, and some cheese, but feel free to omit these if you can't include them in your diet. I typically try to fit my meals into a 4 to 6 hour eating window, as I find that if I eat once a day or OMAD, I lose too much weight and I can't get enough food in. If you're interested in learning how I incorporate fasting into my diet, let me know in the comments down below. So for myself, I try to target about 150 grams of protein per day, as my target weight is 150 pounds. And I'm also trying to either gain or at least maintain my muscle mass. You'll see that the meals that I incorporate into this meal plan meet this requirement. Of course, adjust the portion sizes according to your current and target weights. I'll leave a video link up top on how to calculate your meat requirements on a carnivore diet. While this is a good guideline to start with, make sure you're eating enough meat and fat on the carnivore diet to ensure that you're full and satiated. If I still feel hungry after my meals or I want to go longer between feeding windows, I like to add some additional butter or melt it over my food. Having longer fasts in between my meals has definitely helped heal my autoimmune issues, as it allows my gut to rest and heal. Grass-fed butter is a great tool in increasing fat consumption because it's nutrient dense, high in omega-3 fatty acids, and is relatively cheap compared to sourcing only grass-fed meats. By eating this way and selecting fattier cuts of meat, I maintain about a 60 to 80% fat to protein ratio, and this is quite simple without having to measure your food and be super strict in calculating your macros. I try to keep my meals as simple as possible when cooking from home so that I get my time back and I'm able to focus on other things. I love what I eat, but I try to treat my food as fuel rather than entertainment. Fat inherently tastes good. There's a reason why fancy restaurants add so much butter to their food. The chefs definitely have it figured out. Before we get started on the meals, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're first to know when we upload a new video. I really hope this video gives you some inspiration that you can use for meals on your carnivore journey. If you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about our carnivore diet and if you have any quick and easy meals that you incorporate on a weekly basis. Until next time.